What is up everyone? My name is Darryl Arante, and for today's video we are going to do a quick review of another clothing rental service from Vince Unfold. Vince Unfold, or Vince, which I never heard of until I did my research, is a luxury brand that offers premium quality clothes for both men and women. Yeah, it's pretty pricey if you look into their website. Anyways, since I am to rental clothing service right now, I decided to try this bougie ass clothing brand. Okay, I did one from Express, which, by the way, feel free to come check out my Express style rent review somewhere up there, and it was a great experience to rent from them. Well, I finally tried this one, so I'm gonna share with you guys my experience, and I'm gonna tell you guys the pros and cons about it, okay? So without further delay, if you're into clothing rental services or want to learn more about this, then this is a video for you. So let's get started. Vince Unfold, a clothing rental service that gives members access to their premium minimalist clothes for one flat monthly fee of $160. If you ever used a clothing service before, then Vince Unfold should be familiar to you. If not, it's still an easy way to sign up. You sign up, create an account, then right away it will take you into some clothes selection. You have to pick at least 10 pieces in order to start the shipping process. Then from that, they will pick 4 items from your closet and they will ship it within 2 or 3 business days. Once you receive them, you could wear them as often as you would like and return them so they could ship the next package. Each box comes with a prepaid bag for easy return. Shipping and return are always free, and as long as you are subscribed to them, you could swap items as much as you want or buy if you really want the item. This is pretty much similar to Express style rent, like the website template looks similar and such, but the main difference is the price, which for the Express style rent, they'll charge you about $60, and the number of items you'll get, which is only 3. All right, let's get this out of the way. So let's talk about the pros about this clothing service. One pro, or probably 2, that I could think about is that Vince Unfold sent out 4 items instead of only 3. In addition, their stuff is supposed to be made from premium fabrics such as silk, linen, and calf suede. I don't know about that, but that's pretty much the positive stuff I could think about, okay? Like, I had their suede jacket and linen stuff, and they're really nice. Besides that, the other items that I received felt like crap, to be honest. Looks like I already mentioned one bad thing about Vince Unfold, so let's keep this going, okay? Another con about Vince Unfold is the price. Okay, maybe for some others this may be a little change, but a guy like me who could barely afford one pair of boots, $160 per month is a lot. In addition, their selection is limited compared to Express. I was scrolling through their stuff and I barely found pieces that I like, even though I like being minimal. I guess their style selection is not my cup of tea. It's so minimal, like it's something older gentlemen would wear. Again, their quality is also not that great, to be honest. I feel like I could substitute their stuff with some other fast fashion brand like Zara or H&M. No offense, by the way, but as a guy who likes to wear different clothes, I could tell the difference between the good and bad clothes. Or maybe I'm not educated enough. Bottom line is, I didn't enjoy the clothing rental subscription compared to Express. It's pricey, there is not much selection, quality feels cheap, and their clothes do not fit my style. However, I think it's still a great clothing service if you really love this brand. While I love the 4 items per package and their suede jacket and linen clothes, it still did not impress me to keep going with Vince Unfold. If Vince Unfold is up your alley, feel free to try this rental service and you would probably appreciate their value more than I did. Well, that's my quick review of Vince Unfold clothing rental service. Feel free to check their link down below if you're interested. Don't forget to press the thumbs up if you happen to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. That's it for me, guys. Stay safe and stay amazing. Have a good day, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.